Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace the water filter and turn off this water filter replacement light. This is for model PVD28BYNBFS, but this should apply to most GE profile fridges that have the filter inside this door right here. So you can see the replacement filter we're going to be using is this XWFE. This is the GE OEM replacement filter. So I'll put a link on where you can pick up this filter. They do make knockoffs for cheaper, but I kind of just like using the replacement GE one. You know it's going to fit right, and you know you're not going to have any issues. And you can see here it says replace every 6 months, or just, whenever this light comes on. So the first thing we'll do is show you how to replace that, and then we'll show you how to get the light off. So you can see here, this is what the new filter looks like. And then to access the filter, you just open this door. And you can see right here, this is the water filter door. Just open that up. And then you just pull this old filter straight out and then rotate it counterclockwise. Pull the old one out. And then to put the new one in, you can see how there's two different size holes there. And inside here, you can see there's two different size holes. So you just want to line them up. Obviously the bigger hole is going to go on this bigger nozzle end, and then you could just pull this out a little bit to make it easier. You can pull it out by hand and just line it up, and then once it's seated in there, you're just going to rotate it clockwise until you hear a click. It's about 1/4 of a turn. So you can see there it's seated into place. Pretty much just rotate until you can't anymore, and then just push it back in, close your door. Okay, so now to get this light off, all we have to do is just press this button here that releases the water. Just press that in, and you're going to see the change filter light come on here. And then once you turn it on and that light comes on, then you're just going to press this blinking button down and hold that for 3 seconds. And then you see our lights go off. Now they recommend replacing these filters every 6 months, but also after you replace it, just get, the largest container you could find. They recommend running 2 gallons of water through the new filter. So when you first run it, you'll hear a bunch of air escaping, and it'll start spitting out water and doing weird stuff until the water runs through the filter all the way. So just fill this up. It's 2 gallons, so just fill this up twice, or a similar size container up twice. And you can see it's just dribbling out. The filter's just filling up, and then it'll start flowing normal water. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but just fill the 2 gallons up, let the filter run out, any sediment in the filter escape, and then you should be good to go. So if you guys have any questions, be sure to reach out in the comments. Also be sure to check the be sure to check the video description where you can pick up this filter. I'll also put the link to buy this in the comments, so be sure to check that out. And yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.